Hi everyone, you're welcome to Social Pills channel, the best choice you've made for your updates. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment on them, and don't forget to share.
On today's update, we are going to be looking at the 7 reasons why the court has refused the live broadcast application filed by Atiku and the PDP, which was also supported by Peter Obi and Labour Party. Before we look into that, I want us to remember that Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, who came second in the election, initially made the request for live coverage, and Obi subsequently threw his weight behind the request. The duo, through their lead lawyers, Chief Chris Uche San and Dr. Levi Uzoku San, maintained that the petitions they lodged to query the declaration of the candidate of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, as the winner of the election was a matter of monumental national concern and public interest. They argued that the case involved the interest of citizens and the electorate in the 36 states of the Federation and the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, who they said participated in the presidential poll. Atiku and the PDP insisted that their case against Tinubu was a unique electoral dispute with a peculiar constitutional dimension, and applied for an order directing the court's registry and the parties on modalities for admission of media practitioners and their equipment into the courtroom. With the huge and tremendous technological advances and developments in Nigeria and beyond, including the current trend by this honorable court towards embracing electronic procedures, visual hearing and electronic filing, a departure from the rules to allow a regulated televising of the proceedings in this matter is in consonance with the maxim that justice must not only be done but must be seen to be done. Televising court proceedings is not alien to this honorable court and will enhance public confidence, the petitioners added. So we all know that this is the request or application that was filed by Atiku Abubakar, the PDP candidate, who is not satisfied with the declaration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the winner of the 25th February 2023 presidential election. However, in separate processes, Tinubu, APC, and INEC filed their own processes seeking the dismissal of the application, which they describe as frivolous and unmeritorious. Tinubu accused both Atiku and Obi of trying to ridicule the judiciary by attempting to reduce the proceedings of the court to a soapbox and a movie theater. Televising of election tribunal proceedings live will only cause unnecessary tension, violence, and unrest among the public, which may lead to breach of peace, APC argued through its lawyer, Prince Lateef Fagbemi San. Tinubu, in a counter affidavit he filed alongside the Vice President-elect Kashim Shettima, accused Atiku of deliberately attempting to expose the judiciary to public opprobrium. According to them, the court is not a rostrum or a soapbox. It is not also a stadium or theater. It is not an arena for public entertainment, adding that Atiku's request had no bearing with the petition and was only aimed at dissipating the judicious time of the court. Finally, in the ruling of these petitions or these applications, court has come out to say they will not accept the live broadcast application filed by Atiku. And these are the reasons, 7 reasons that they have given for rejecting the application. 1, they said the application lacked merit. They rejected it because they said the application lacked merit. So what do you think? Do you think it really has merit, or do you think it actually lack merit as the court has said? Number 2 reason why they refused the live broadcast of the proceedings of the petitions is that no regulatory framework or policy direction permitted it to grant such an application. Number 3, allowing cameras in the courtroom is a major judicial policy that must be supported by the law. The court, that's number 4 now, the court can only be guided and act in accordance with the practices, directions, and procedures approved by the President of the Court of Appeal. So they said they cannot permit a situation that may lead to the dramatization of their proceedings. Number 5 reason, or number 5th reason why they said they are not going to allow for the live broadcast is that the request was not part of any relief in the petitions before it, that it was merely hinged on a sentimental claim that it would benefit the electorate. So what do you think? They said this one, is just a matter of sentimental claim that they want the application to benefit the public, so that it is not connected to relieve the petition that they are looking at. Then number 6 reason is that the petitioners, that is Atiku Abubakar and the PDP and Peter Obi and Labour Party, failed to establish how televising the proceedings would advance their case, that such live broadcast would not add any utilitarian value to the determination of the petition. So they are also saying here that the live broadcast will not add any utilitarian value to the determination of the petition. What do you think? Do you think what the court is saying concerning this application for live broadcast is okay? How is it going with you? I want you to drop your comment. So finally, which is the 7th reason they gave, is that such a live broadcast must be planned and budgeted for. So they claim that they did not budget for that kind of application. So they need to budget for cameras, the cameramen, and maybe also arrange the courtroom in such a way that it will accommodate the cameras for the live broadcast. So these are the 7 reasons why the court, presided by Tsamani, have refused the live broadcast to be accepted. In summary, they refuse to grant the request, describing it as novel and unprecedented. It's not something that has been requested for before, so they are refusing to accept it. Is this the first time you are coming across my channel? Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and then like my videos. Drop your comments. Let's see your thoughts, and don't forget to also share it. For those of us who have already subscribed, thank you very much for coming again. I love you much. Until I bring you another update, I remain your chief host, Great Wonder. Bye.